Hi, my name is Alyssa, your pronunciation trainer, and I help people who have problems with their English pronunciation achieve an excellent American accent so they can speak English confidently and clearly. Watch the following demo for free to improve your accent immediately. Okay, so to make the F sound, you're going to take the tip of your teeth and put them right here on your lip. It's sort of like you're biting down on your lip. Then you force air through. Make sure that you're pushing air through or you won't be able to make the sound, like this. Did you get it? Now if you look in the mirror, you should be able to see your teeth still. So let's practice that word, finger. Repeat that with me. Finger. Very good, excellent. Thanks for watching our American Accent Secrets video. My lessons will help you improve your English pronunciation and sound like a native speaker. You'll find a video for every sound in American English. This is just an example of what you can find in American Accent Secrets app. Download American Accent Secrets for free. Find the link in the description.